All right, guys, so we're in the middle here, of course, of trying to repair this plate down here. We're gonna have to tighten up some bolts on here. I was really hoping I could get to both sides just from this side, but it looks like I'm gonna have to take the other side off as well to get this job done, which is too bad. I was hoping I wouldn't have to do that. I should almost change the oil while I'm at it at the same time. Yeah, so this is kind of where we're at now. I'll take all the sides off, pull all the pins out and the fenders, all the plastic. So I'll be able to get to two sides here. I did order a bunch of new pins today. So I did order some new pins for the fenders and the pulling tool, which I wished I had today. A few swear words were said, but nothing really major. So yeah, we're gonna get to the bolts on this side, tighten this side of the plate up, and I guess we'll have to do the same on the other side and tear it all apart as well, and then attempt to put everything back together again once we're done. It is kind of nice. So I mean, it's just, you know, those plastic pins come out and everything pops out. So it's just kind of like a little bit of a jigsaw puzzle here. So, all right, guys, we'll give you an update here as we continue on. This is Fred, VE3FAL in Thunder Bay, just doing some quad plow repairs here. Catch up with you guys in a bit.